Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford and I'll be taking you around this approved used Motor Match vehicle. Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz GLC Class 2.1 GLC220d Sport Premium Plus G-Tronic 4MATIC, which is a diesel automatic. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in obsidian black metallic. To start off with, then you have your LED high performance headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 18-inch 5-spoke design alloy wheels finished in vanadium silver, complementing the obsidian black exterior colour. This vehicle also has privacy glass to ensure any passengers travelling with you have privacy they desire, along with running boards with the rubber studs, which is an added optional extra, making gaining entry and leaving the vehicle even easier than before. Moving into your boot, you do in fact have an electronic boot lid, and once open you can see you've got a huge amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats now, you can find the Artico leather finished in beige. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. You also have a contrasting black multifunctional steering wheel, and once again you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. This vehicle does in fact have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the vehicle, giving the cabin a nice light feel. The front seats are electronically adjustable as well as being memory seats, and once you've found a comfortable position you can save it, and as well as this they are also heated. On your black leather multifunctional steering wheel you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and located on your steering column you can find your cruise control with speed limiter. Taking a look at your dash, you can see that this vehicle is on 48,563 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system you have everything you need, including your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. Along with this you also have DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You of course have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And another added optional extra is a 360 view camera, allowing you to see almost every angle of the car, making manoeuvring and reversing into those difficult spaces even easier than before. You also have a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and airflow direction as well. RAC extended warranty is available. All our vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For more information you can call us on 01785 899 474 or inquire online now.